Hello and welcome back to the Peej's workshop. Got a little quick one today. Decided to change this from a supermarket to a diner. It really didn't take much to do. First I sanded off the supermarket and Plasticville, and then I used a red Sharpie just to fill in some spots, make it look retro, I guess. Ray's Diner is the name of the place. Paulville needed a nice little eatery for everyone to go and get a nice cheeseburger or something. It seemed like a perfect building for that, and it's got a great location, so here it is. Yeah, see, that's a great location. Right there in the corner. Everyone can see it. Nice place to go and stuff your face. Well, that's all for me for now. See ya!